Hey beauties, it is your girl, Jessica Nicole. And in today's video, I'm playing with some makeup. These are new makeup that I got, and they may not be new to you guys, but they are definitely new to me because I just got them. So yeah, I just wanted to play in them on camera and see what I come up with. I came up with this. My face looks bomb. My eyes look bomb. Okay, I am all for all of this right now. I'm about to take a bunch of pictures because I ain't going nowhere. Yes. But before I get into this video, shout outs to my notification gang. I mean, how did she say it was? She said it was this? I forgot. But gang. Okay. Shout outs to y'all, because when you're a notification gang, you are always able to see my videos first. And when you are the first person to say notification gang in my comments, of course, you will be posted in my video as my bomb ass beauty. That's a part of the notification gang. I'm doing too much. Okay, but anyway, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I'm starting off with my face already primed, and I also color corrected just to knock some time off. But if you guys want to see like a full face routine on how I do my makeup and I prime and everything, I'll just, put that across right now so you can click that. Check that out. Also, if you guys want to see how I prep my skin for makeup, I will put it in the description bar down below. What the hell's going on with me right now? Down below. And I'll also let that slide across right now and you can click that as well. But that's not what we're here for today. We are here to try out some makeup. Let's get into it. Now these products I have, I only got 4 things. These products I have, I've never tried before. They're still in the box. Foundation wise, it was this NARS Natural Radiant. Saw it a lot all over YouTube, and you guys know I love NARS foundations, so I'm going to try that today. Again, did not try it. I always get my foundations in the same color. This is in Macao. I'm pretty sure this is going to be darker than my skin tone, but I like how Macao looks on me, especially in the summertime. I look mad bronzy and nice, so yeah. Okay, so I'm going to do... These are 2 tiny little pumps. Let's see how these 2 tiny little pumps, how far it gets. I like how this looks on my skin, but I feel like those 2 pumps didn't get me anywhere. Like, it's not pumping out anything like that. I like, but this is nothing new. I love NARS foundation. And I don't think I need another layer. I think that was those 4 teeny weeny pumps was good enough. So I can see that a little goes a long way. I'm liking that because you know these NARS foundations ain't cheap. Okay. Alright, so for concealer, I got the Makeup Revolution concealers. Now I have had this one, but I realized this one was a little too dark. I second guessed it from the pictures on Ulta. So I have C12 and C13. Swatched it, but I didn't match it to any of my concealers. So I'm just gonna play this by eye. So I'm putting down C12 first. This is a little too light for my liking. I don't go this light for concealers anymore, and I don't know why I put in so much, and I don't know how good this blends in with my foundation. Somebody tells me somebody said I always make an angel on my face when I'm highlighting. I'm gonna need a little more of C13 though. Ooh, this coverage. Yeah, I put on a lot. A little definitely goes a long way. It looks good, but I just feel like C12 is a little too light for my liking. But it blends so nicely. The smell though, coming from it, is a turnoff for me. But hopefully it doesn't like break me out or anything. Alright, so I did see a little bit of creasing underneath the eyes. Not liking that, but whatever. I am gonna cream contour so that I look a little bit more bronzy than what I'm looking right now. I'm using my black Opal foundation stick, and this is in Suede Mocha. I'm not going to use my flower powder today. I'm actually going to use my Sacha Buttercup. Just going to set the rest of my face with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark. And I'm going to use the same powder and my number 79 brush from Sephora to dust away whatever excess powder is on my face. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just fill in these eyebrows real quick. Alright, so did my eyebrows, cleaned them up with the Makeup Revolution concealer in C12, and then I used C13 to prime my lids, and then I used my Ruby Kisses Set and Forget powder in Invisible to set my eyelids. I'm liking the concealer because it kind of like sets itself. It's pretty matte. I don't see any creasing right now, but of course I won't know until later. And the only thing I don't like is the color range. I feel like between C12 and C13 there needs to be another color. But other than that, it's okay. It's cool. You know. While I was talking, I was taking a palette out of its packaging, and this is the Soft Glam palette from ABH. You guys know I love ABH palettes, but I don't know what happened with the last two. So, alright. So let me just put some powder underneath my eyes just in case there's fallout, because I don't know what this palette be like. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with the color Burnt Orange and see if this works as a transition. Okay, there is some kickback. Oh, I just used my M511 if I didn't say that. I'm gonna follow with my R, pretty sure this is my 38 from Morphe. I'm gonna go in with the color Sienna, and that's gonna deepen up the crease. There is some kickback with this palette. I know there was some with the Modern Renaissance, but oh, I got some fallout. Sienna is real cute. It's up my alley. You know, there's some kickback and some fallout. So either do your face before, after, or do what I did and put some powder underneath your eye. So now I'm gonna go into Mulberry, which is the shade right here. This shade been calling my name. Alright, I got a little less kickback with this color than I did. Ooh, that's pigmented. With the first two colors. Like, I'm just gonna do a semi-cut crease. I know, just you always do that. Just to be on the safe side, because you know I need to know what this palette be like before I do anything. I'm just gonna go back in with a little bit of Sienna just to blend out the edges of Mulberry. It's looking a little smoky, and then I'm gonna use just the first brush I used, which I used for Burnt Orange, and I'm just gonna lighten up the surrounding areas to make it look good. Okay, I'm liking Mulberry. Okay, so I'm gonna use Cyprus, Umber, and Noir, but I'm gonna cut out my lid first. I'm just gonna use my 714 brush like I always use to cut out my lid. It's the same brush I use to cut out my brows, and this brush is from Badillion Tools if you do not know. Ooh, alright, I'm gonna do one eye at a time because I don't want to mess this up. Okay, so first I'm gonna go into the Mulberry shade. First of all, let me just take my finger and just... I'm gonna put Mulberry down where the shadows meet so that the blending is a little bit easier. This shadow is... Ooh, look at that pigment. Then I'm going to go in with Cyprus Umber. I want to go in with the color Bronze. Oh, this feels buttery. Alright. Just pop that on the front part of my lid. This is cool. Oh, it's so pretty. Gonna follow with Sultry. I like these. Right on the center. Bronze is real pretty. Okay, so this color does get everywhere, so I'm seeing like a little bit of glitter thing going on, but it's still a pretty color, so I don't think I'm gonna turn away from it. Alright, so I'm gonna go back in with mulberry. And then I'm just gonna go back and forth between the two brushes just to blend Bronze and Sultry together. I'm gonna do something that I've been doing for a long time. I'm gonna finish one eye and then do the other eye off camera because that seems a little bit easier. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Schwing liner from the Balm and just line out my lid because it's really pigmented. And I'm gonna go in with Noir. That's one thing I have to be careful with this palette with is the amount of fallout, but I am loving the palette. I'm so excited. Y'all don't even understand. This eye is coming out so beautiful. So I'm just using some lashes that I had just sitting around. Everybody has those lashes that you just see and you're just like, I'm gonna use those. Alright, eyelash on. I look happy. So I wasn't gonna keep it smoky, but I'm loving how my eye looks, so I'm gonna keep it smoky. I'm gonna line my waterline with some black liner pencil. This is Obsidian from Geek. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use Cyprus Umber. Just go right underneath that black liner. And then follow with some of sienna and mulberry. Alright, so I'm gonna take glistening right here. And that's gonna go in my inner corner. Alright, so let me just pop on some mascara. I just want to see this eye like fully done. Am I a fiend? I think so. Let me do the other eye and I will be right back. Eyes are done and I'm definitely feeling it, and I also dust away whatever was under the eyes. It's definitely fallout with the palette. I like the palette. I just know that I have to do my face, or I've got to do my face last, or I have to do my face and make sure I have like some fallout, you know, catcher underneath my eyes. So I'm just gonna finish off the face before we test out the last product. I'm gonna speed through this because it's the same process, and again in the beginning of the video I put up my foundation routine, so if you guys want to check that out you definitely can. Miss Jessica Nicole, who are you? Who is she? In my MUFE. Alright, so the last thing I have to try is the Amrezy highlighter from ABH. Now, I love Amrezy. I think she's so dope. She's a Gemini. She lets her personality shine through. She talks her shit. She don't give a fuck. And I love her for that. Now, this highlighter is so pretty. I don't even want to put my brush on it, but I'm gonna have to. Okay, so putting it on, it's a beautiful highlighter, but I already see that this is something that I would have to layer, and I should have put this on top of another highlighter, but it's okay. It's a beautiful, beautiful highlighter. I actually really think it's really, really nice. It's just that I feel like with this one, I might have a cast. Even though I'm not seeing one right now, if I put too much of it on, I might have a cast. I'm not going to do a wear test because I'm going to be in the house and it's late. It's actually 10 o'clock at night. So if I do a wear test, I don't know how long it's going to be. So let me just go put on a turban and put on a different top, just for YouTube's sake. All I'm saying is when I'm ready to go out, I better look this good with these same products. I'm not playing because this. Alright, let's put on a quick lip. I don't want to do anything too crazy. It's in Club Hopper from NYX. This is a NYX suede matte. Or a matte suede, whatever it is. I'm gonna use Buffy from Lime Crime. I'm gonna use the Winky Lux gloss. That's basically done. Alright guys, so here is your finished look of me playing in makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed doing this. I look bomb AF, okay? Confidence is at an all-time high right now. Y'all can't tell me not a goddamn thing. Anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I always tell you guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all social media. Definitely hit that notification button so you can check out all my videos as soon as I post them. So you're not late. I mean, you don't want to see that? Anyway, I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video.